Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Throughout calculus, oftentimes it'll be important to recognize the limits of common exponential and logarithmic functions. Let's start by looking at a common exponential function, b to the x, where b is greater than 1. The graph of this function is going to look like so, increasing as we go off to the right and headed towards 0 as we go off to the left. We can express that in limits. As x approaches infinity, our function also approaches infinity. It continues to move upward. And as x approaches negative infinity, as we travel left on our graph, our function is getting closer and closer to 0. Similarly, for our logarithmic functions with any base, our graph is going to tend to look like this. Let's call this g of x. And we can say the limit as x approaches infinity of g of x, we can see it progressively gets higher, and we'll say this goes to positive infinity. We don't really have a negative infinity here because our graph stops at 0. There's no function that exists to the left of 0, but we can say something about the limit as x approaches 0, at least from the right side. Notice that our function is going down and down, and we'll say that this limit goes to negative infinity.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.